Okay, dolls, so I did go ahead and do some maintenance to this unit. It does require me to bleach the knots, and I did pluck the front of this hairline just a little bit. I didn't want to over pluck it because you know that's going to cause your frontal to wear quicker. So now that I've done that, the last thing I need to do before installing is I'm going to take my wax stick and run this across the front of the hairline. Any extra wax stick that's there, you can just put the heat on it from the hot comb and it will melt it. So this is the difference of what the hairline looks like after. And then I'm gonna take the wax stick and do the same thing to the parting space. Since this is curly hair, that means I'm going to lay a little bit of baby hair. It's just because I just love laying baby hair when I have curly hair. However, I'm not going to do too much. Okay, now I'm going to just re-wet this hair just a little bit and apply some product. So I'm going to take some of the Cantu shea butter and apply it to this unit. And then I'm also going to add some of my Eco Styling Gel and add a little bit to this hair as well. And now you guys can see the curls are starting to pop. Okay, dolls, so I'm not going to do a ball cap today because I just don't feel like it. So I'm going to go ahead and just install this over the stocking cap. I'm going to push this back just a little bit. So this is what the unit looks like when I try it on. As you guys can see, this is an HD lace, so I shouldn't have any issues with blending. However, since I am using the stocking cap, there is a difference between the coloring right there. So I'm just gonna apply some powder to the inside of the unit. And I'm gonna use this 3D face creator, and I'm gonna use the darker color on the palette. And I'm just going to apply that to the front of the unit to break that line of demarcation. And then I'm gonna go on top of this with the level 12 just to mute some of this redness. Okay, I think this looks good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and lay this unit down using my Got To Be Glue gel, and I'm gonna use a little bit of the Got To Be Glue Insta Hold. I don't know why I pulled the baby hair out if I wasn't gonna lay it down before I cut the lace. That was kind of pointless. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten these baby hairs. And now I'm gonna just lay this down for about 5 minutes just to let all of this set. Now I'm gonna cut these baby hairs. Gonna just lightly bump the baby hair. I'm gonna try to lay these baby hairs with got to be glue spray. So I went ahead and I added the makeup back to my forehead, and I slightly wet the hair so you could get a better idea of what the texture looks like while it's damp. This hair dries really quickly though. It's already starting to dry. So dolls, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do to this unit. I went ahead and I wet this side of the hair so you can have a nice comparison of this is what the hair looks like while it's wet, and this is what the hair looks like once it's dry. And this is the final hairline. I did go ahead and add some makeup to my face to complete that look. So let's go ahead and get into the details of this hair. Actually, let me sit back. This is my first time working with Cynosure Hair, and as I mentioned, this is their deep curly unit. This is a 13x6 HD lace frontal. Now I do wish that this unit did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. However, if you don't mind doing a little pre-work in the beginning, then you can definitely pick this up because I believe that this curl pattern is very pretty. I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit. That's kind of to be expected. It's curly hair. You're going to get shedding. However, this is a very thick density unit, so it would take some time before it would begin thinning. And this unit is in 24 inches. So let me go stand up really quickly just so you can get an idea of where this lays. So it's very long. Guys, summer is coming up, so this curly unit would be perfect for vacation. You guys got any vacation plans? Let me know in the comment section down below. I know I do. I can't wait to go on vacation. And you know a good curly unit is always mandatory. So dolls, as always, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm gonna have all the information provided in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna need your help naming this wig. What do you think we should call her? Come on guys, I need some really pretty names. You guys have kind of been like, y'all used to give me some bomb names before. So go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name as well as the person who submitted that name will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, why don't you check out one of these other videos? I'm sure you'll enjoy them as well. And it's always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.